time domain concepts. Right? A time domain electromagnetic signal can be either analog or digital. Right? So there are two forms of signals. One is analog signal and the other one is the digital signal. So as we can look around that we are living in the analog world, right? Most of the phenomena, most of the natural processes, they are analog in nature. For example, if we talk about temperature, it's varying all the time, right? Even within this room, we have different temperature at different points, right? And if we talk about the pressure, right, so this is also a varying quantity or analog quantity, right? So it means